Good morning, my new learner. I am here, your Birjesh Prasad Maurya, your best friend, if you are considering me your friend. So, yeah, I don't have today's any topic, but I would like to tell you one more thing. That is the what is the importance of English? Because many people are asking me if you will be learn English, so what could be happen in your future? So, I would like to tell them if you will be able to speak English in future, then I know English will not give you a job, but it will make you the job ready candidate. Even if you will be go for anywhere for searching job. So if you have the English speaking, if you have a good command in English, so you can definitely get a job. Even in future, if you are thinking I have to go abroad anywhere where Hindi is not a mandatory language, that time, then that place the English will be able, the English will give you the everything that you will be able to do any kind of job at that place. So yeah, this is the reason English is the most important English. Because why we should learn English, this is the question. So I'm going to tell you the example straightforward. Because 70 to 80% people are not able to speak English in UP and Bihar. So this is the most important. We cannot go for job anywhere in IT sectors. And in IT sector has a lot of job vacancy. So if we will learn this kind of job, so we can definitely get our desired role in that company and anywhere. And one more thing, I know the people are always thinking, if I have done my school life in Hindi language, so how can I learn English? So bro, it's not impossible. I know it's difficult for some reason, because we don't know how to frame the sentences, how can I speak like this. So yeah, this kind of thing before starting. But trust me guys, if you will be start to speak English, so day by day gradually you can learn everything that will make you the uh, good English speaker. So because bro, in my initial days I was also thinking I don't know how to speak English, and I was thinking at that time, if someone will be talking with me in English, so at that time my mind will be how can I respond quickly at that moment. So this type of thinking I have already, but I am just enhancing my communication skill in English. So if I can, so why you not? What I have is special, and what do you not have? So yeah, so I always told the people, if you wanted to learn English, if you want to learn English, then you have to join my YouTube channel. Because bro, I have uploading every day one video. That video will help you to how to speak English. This the kind of thing I am uploading on my video. And I keep the simple sentences, because I am not a fully advanced level English. So but I know the English, but I am not advanced level. So I just trying to I just wanted to know at that time, if someone will ask me any question in English, so how can I grab their knowledge, and how can I deliver my word. But at that time I was wrong, because at that time I have a lot of expectation to take my English. But right now I am able to give the any answer, any question I can ask with anyone, because I have done a lot of practice on it. If you want to build fluency in your confidence in your English, so you have to do practice as much as you can. As you can, you will do practice as much, you will become a fluent person. So I am recording my video every day minimum 10 minutes, and I am uploading on my social media. So if you wanted to do something this kind of thing, so if you want to enhance your English, so you have to start your journey from today. Because if you are thinking, if I will speak English well, then I will start my journey, so that day will never come in your life. I always told you, if you are looking for any good environment, so believe me bro, I was also thinking just like you, but that day had never come in my life. And I am the only one person in my hometown who never yielded. I don't know why. I don't know what is the special I have, but I don't know why. I will never accept my defeat. I will keep updating myself according to the job market, according to the market, according to the knowledge. So yeah, I am always updating myself in future until I get a job. Because after getting a job, I will definitely update myself day by day. But bro, still I am a jobless person. That's why no one is considering my things. So if you are also, I know the people are listen only that people who is already become success. But bro, I am not become success, and I don't have a still I don't have a job, but I am building my command on it, and in future I will definitely get a job. I believe on my strength and I believe on my knowledge, because bro, if you don't have job, so you have a lot of expectation before getting a job. So and I have the multiple things running in my mind every day, but I cannot do anything because your mind give you the suggestion, not a command. You have to pick one command and you have to work on it, because bro, the your mind is generating the multiple things in a second, but 80 to 90% is useless. The mind will generate the 10 to 15% to the good things. If you are grab that things and you can work on it, so you can definitely change your life. I don't know bro, because I have a lot of things in at that time, but I cannot express my thing. But uh, but I want to express you just one more thing, because bro, if you are the educated person in your hometown and something like me, because I have done my MSc, Master of Science in Chemistry, but still I am a jobless person. Why? Because I couldn't get a job in my academic. So the always people always this things say telling about me, what benefit do you have knowledge if you are not earning something? But I couldn't get say anything at that moment, because I don't have any word to give them. But I'm just trying to build confidence in my communication skill in English. So I believe on my strength I will get a job on the basis my English. So I'm still a jobless person, I told you, but I'm gonna Tamil Nadu after some time, and I will looking for a job there, because in if you are living in your hometown, so there is no multiple companies, no company there where you can apply for a job and you can get a job. That's why I have to switch my location, and I don't know what would be happen, but I will keep trying until I get a job. And bro, if you are if you want to get a job in IT field, so it doesn't matter. The vacancy will come in after 1 year. If you have ability, so you can give your interview within 1 month, multiple interview. So if you will get selected, so you can get a job. So this type of mindset I have before going there, and I believe on my strength. I'm just working on it, and I am a data analyst. Most of the people don't know what is the data analyst. If you want to know, so I will tell you. But I know the people will not consider my things until they get a job. But after getting job, you will be keep you will definitely keep commenting on my this video and multiple videos. Why did you do that in your initial days, and how can I get that you have, and how can I get a job like you? This type of thinking, it can be coming in future, but right now I don't have anything that I can show you. That's why you are not believing on my strength, because I know I can do everything that I have. I can do everything that I wanted in my future, in my past, and I don't know what could be happen. But yeah, I don't have anything that I can show you that you can believe on me, but I have only one thing. This is my English. If you are believing on my English, so I will you can be definitely change your life, because I will give you the everything. I am not a knowledgeable person, but I have some knowledge. And if you wanted to know about my journey, about my dream, so you can leave a comment and I will make a dedicated video. I am just seeing no one is commenting on my video that I can make a dedicated video on that topic. But I don't know why. I think I am not able to give the I am not able to deliver the my good content, but I'm just trying to build my command on it. And if you wanted to show